Here we are at my mother's house. We are.
They come out too.
Seven.
They like
Seven
coming out
cups
after a
of
rain.
sugar.
After you.
Step number 1, jelly making. First you wash the jars and then you proceed to sterilize them. Have the oven on 225. This is for the sterilization of the jars.
Okay, we got to measure 5 cups of this.
Yeah.
And that is blackberry juice. You strained that, right?
Yes, I
So
squeezed it.
You've already squeezed it all.
It's all
You've
done
been squeezing
squeezed.
all day.
No, yesterday I did my squeezing.
Oh, it's a two-day process then.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Yeah. Put them in here,
I didn't know that.
and you boil
Oh, wait.
Boil them.
those. Then you turn this. Oh, now,
So
okay.
you are
Oh, in this,
A whole package.
The
The whole
entire
thing.
package.
stir it up, mix it in.
And we have.
You don't.
Nice.
Is it heating?
Not yet. No.
Oh, okay.
You got to mix that in,
Okay.
dissolve it, what have you. That's all sticky.
All three.
It's on the Certo package.
A hard boil. So you let it come to a boil.
Okay.
Then you add all the sugar.
7 cups.
Yep. Then you bring it back to a boil and boil it hard for a minute.
Oh.
That's it.
You put them like wherever you
Nope, I just set them right here.
What happened was we boiled the liquid and then we added the sugar and stir with a long spoon until the sugar is dissolved. Then we bring it back to a boil, and once it starts boiling again, boiler hard for 60 seconds.
Yes.
Demonstration of what it means to boil hard.
Okay.
Or hard.
Okay, so let me put the timer on a minute.
1 minute.
Is that your cool down time?
No,
Boil it for.
you're all done. Take timer off.
So
Burner
the
off.
bubbles-
Over here, girls, move.
Watch out.
Excuse me, I mean. Move. Okay, now we skim.
Now we skim.
Cleaning up the
Stir and skim. Here it is. Stirring. See the skimmy stuff on?
Oh, I see.
Oh shit, I gotta put this on 5. Timer. 5. Don't watch that, it's hot as hell.
Yeah.
Know what I mean?
Don't watch it.
So you can eclipse, you can't look at it.
Don't look at it.
Don't look at it. Just look at it.
Oh, look at it.
What is it? Goes around the edge like that white
And that's
stuff.
the stuff that you
The skim
remove.
off. And you stir it.
Is Aubrey doing the Smash Up Derby next weekend?
Don't
Like you
have
did
a
last
clue.
year.
I don't know.
I wanted to enter my ex-wife's car in that. Then I read the list of stipulations.
gotta
I
give
thought,
you your-
I had 2 days off
Yeah,
just to
she's
prepare
got the
her
lid.
for that.
And then you want to twist with your full hand.
Oh, twister.
Twister.
For gifts.
It's poor answer because
Sometimes they stick together too, Nora, so be careful. There's not two.
oil filter, funnel it in there.
Definitely the oil filter is needed.
Or funnel, oil funnel.
Kingsport
Yeah,
Assembly
The cooking funnel.
Engineer, the making
The making of the jelly. Woman rose. And oh,
3. Now we're getting crazy. Oh, and lastly, so you will notice that all the offals go into this one jar. That by offals we mean the extra jam, and you can apply it to toast, bread, pancakes, or whatever substance you like.
Action.
action. So the jelly didn't set the first batch because what I think I did wrong was I did not stir and skim for the full 5 minutes.
Did you do any skimming?
I
did all
skimmed
the
it good,
skimming.
but I did not stir for the
Not-
full 5. I stirred for 3.
And
maybe
now
2.
the jelly, what does it look like, you guys?
Liquid.
It's liquid.
Now it's a drinkable beverage instead of a spreadable substance.
So you could put it over your pancakes, or you could just drink it, or you could put it on your ice cream cone. This here girl.
sterilize them too?
She's already in them.
Okay, I just want to say something.